Hey everyone, welcome back to my investing channel. Before we get started, if you could just scroll down, hit the subscribe button, and like this video, it would be doing me a huge favor. So today we're going to be talking about GME or GameStop stock. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, I am not a financial expert, so please consult with a financial advisor or an expert or your brokerage before you begin investing. With that being said, let's get started. So, GameStop has been around for a very long time. The company does a lot of retail stores and some e-commerce selling video games. At the beginning of this year, as you can see, GameStop was trading in the $4 range, around $4.50. It hit a low of about under $3 during the March panic dip of the stock market. And nothing has really changed for the company. In the last 3 months, though, the company has increased from about $13 to a high of $40. And in the last week, it actually went from 20 to upper 30s before taking a huge dip or a dip on Friday. So, as many of you are watching GameStop stock, I know some of you guys are thinking, hey, does the stock have the potential to continue to grow? Will it 2x, 3x, etc.? And this is where we're going to go into the cold hard truth for GameStop. So in the last couple of months, GameStop has seen an increase in revenue, and part of that is, or the majority of that is going to be in part, can be attributed to the launch of the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox X and the Xbox S. So the release of these new consoles really helped spur some sort of revenue towards GameStop. As you can see, GameStop's revenue model hasn't really changed. Some of the latest news you can find on Yahoo Finance talks about, GameStop more risk than reward. Maybe there's a chance for it to move, but in general, GameStop stock really hasn't fundamentally changed. You can see the revenue has been decreasing the last 3 years. It actually is down year over year by over $2 billion. Yet the stock has increased in value, has increased about tenfold since its March lows, about 1,000%. So as of right now, I think GameStop could have a little bit of upside, some limited upside. But if you're planning to invest, I would definitely advise you guys to be careful and make sure to have proper risk management. I don't think GameStop will be running up anytime soon unless something fundamentally changes with their business. And as of right now, although they did get a new board, it doesn't seem like the current business model has changed at all. So I know that some of you guys would want to chase, everybody wants to make big profits, but at this point, I don't think GameStop is it. And I think that if you do intend on purchasing some of the stock, just be really, really careful. I see that there's a lot more negativity and downside and less room to improve. And I think the risk is extremely high for a company such as GameStop. I don't think its revenue numbers are going to be anywhere close to what's going to the last couple of years. I think as COVID continues to ravage, less and less people are going to be willing to go to these stores, and I have seen a lot of GameStop close. So just be mindful when you're investing and really take this with a grain of salt. I think there's a lot of better investments at the moment than GameStop. So with that being said, that's it for today. If you could once again, just subscribe to my channel, and if you like, you can post some questions in the comment section. I'll be doing I'll be answering some of these questions probably throughout the day. If you have any questions about GameStop, or if you would like me to go over a certain company, feel free to leave me a comment, and I'll take it into account, and I'll look into to making a video for those requests. Thank you so much today, and take care.